the offense of Luciano. At saka nito ni Dormal. Kasi nga, mag-isa lang siguro isa. Minsan yung pagsangan. Ito, fast break.
Giab! Bucket and beyond for Joshua Giab. And he does it in transition right over Erlan Umpad. Wasn't bothered.
Kita niya trailing si Umpad eh. Kung dito sa kabila yun, aabutin ni Umpad. Pero kinuha niya doon sa kabila. Nag-try si Umpad na...
It's his second basket so far. Giab against the double. Ipinilit. Pero pumasok para kay Joshua Giab.
They keep on running that post-up play for Giab. And he...
Off the inbound. Mintes mula kay Raimundo.
Rebound.
Giab follows it up. Giab now with 13 points. That is his fourth. Giab. Samontanes with the catch. Great sequence from JRU. And Giab up and in. Pocket and beyond for Joshua Giab. 2+1 special.
If you will see it, it's an early shot. Pero it's a made basket kasi. Kumbaga pwede nang hawakan dito eh. Pero nakita niya si Giab, he was running. And one.
Wow.
Napapaliyad na lang si Coach Louie doon eh.
Giab with 19 points and 12 rebounds to